Dobro Jutro, Divine Pisces, 222. It is Friday. Yay, Friday! May 22nd, 2020. Gemini moon today. Gemini new moon. Still some confusion energy definitely coming in, guys. I don't know about y'all, but I've been feeling the pull this morning pretty strongly. My solar plexus. Haven't felt it in a while, so it's interesting. Let's go ahead and get our daily message from Spirit today. Okay, so family coming up again. Some of you still clearing some familial karma here with children, parents, sisters, brothers, whatever. Okay, coming up really, really strong. Also, feel like some of you are starting to really connect with other people in your soul group or your soul tribe, whatever you want to call it, okay? Which is offering extra support at this time. Again, if you haven't checked out the forum, please do. It's free. DivinePisces222.com/forum. Okay, connect with other people who are going through their soul journey. Help to support each other, you know, that sort of thing. Also feel there's an energy here, again, of letting go. A lot of you have been in this energy for a while. It's like back and forth, right? Having some stuff come up and dealing with it and then letting it go, and that's really good. So letting go and allowing the journey to just kind of take its course and to see things in a new perspective, okay? And to stop overthinking mainly, and just to accept things as they are and accept your journey as it is right now. Okay, yeah, a lot of you are definitely making that decision. There's been so much confusion energy here, like just not sure which way to go, indecision, feeling stuck between two decisions maybe, or more than two, and kind of coming in, but that I feel is ending right now, especially with this letting go energy coming in. A lot of you are just like, you know what, screw it, I'm out. Like, I'm going to stop thinking about it, right? Because this indecision, this confusion energy has been kind of keeping you stuck in this healing cycle, okay? So a lot of you are releasing that right now. You know, you got the Three of Swords and the Three of Swords, so that's heartache, okay? You know, I'm releasing that. And there has been a lot of heartache because of this confusion energy. It's just been, you know, not really, it's like you're not really quite sure what to believe and what not to believe at this point, you know? Especially having to do with loved ones, maybe, you know, if you're in a soulmate or a twin flame connection, some of you are really confused about that. And a lot of you are releasing that right now too, to focus on yourself, right? To bring yourself back into a state of forward movement, you know, literally strategizing how to get yourself out of that stuck energy so that you can move forward in your journey, okay? And there's like this motivation that's been kind of coming in, to reestablish oneself, right, as your true self, and to stop holding on to illusion that's surrounding you, and kind of returning. Yeah, this actually came out like this. So like returning, you know, to the intuition and to listening to the intuition instead of sitting here letting the ego take over and ignoring the intuition, what the intuition is telling you. And there has been a battle, and that's a lot of the confusion energy too. There's been a battle between the intuition and the ego. All right, the intuition really trying to guide you forward. The ego is going, no, don't listen to that. Listen to me. I'm trying to protect you, you know? But the intuition's kind of like, no, this is what you need to do. There's no need for protection here. You're already being protected. You're already being guided. So listen to me. Let me tell you what you need to do, right? So there's just been this push and pull between the ego and the intuition, really, really bad. And a lot of you going through Dark Night of the Soul because of that. Ego, death, towers, you name it. Okay, so messages and advice from Source. Yeah, healing. There's a time. It's a time for healing. A lot of you are embracing that. You're understanding that now. You're like, you know what? It doesn't matter if I don't understand it. There's a reason for this. I'm healing. I'm growing. My soul is, you know, achieving its next level, whatever it is, you know, it's coming in, whether it be ascension or awakening. You know, you're kind of accepting that as a healing opportunity. That's exactly what we should be doing, okay? Yeah, very close to achieving your goal for sure. But you have to You have to move forward. A lot of you know this. You've been stuck here in this confusion energy for way too long. Way too long. You're like, yes, it's time for me to move, you know, but no, a new start is definitely coming. Okay, it's definitely coming in right now for a lot of us. Okay, and it's about time, because the beginning of this year is really, really, I don't even know how to describe it. It was just, there was so much going on. There was just literally just coming at you, like so much stuff coming at you. And you're just sitting here going, okay, like when is this gonna end? Like, oh my gosh, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, definitely a time for healing right now, guys. So just accept it as it is and move on. All right, I hope this has helped. If it has, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.